Let's shift our attention now. Viewers, the political circles in the capital have been abuzz with speculations about Arvind Kejriwal mulling going to the Rajya Sabha after facing a defeat in the Delhi poll debacle. In fact, this flutter was triggered by the Aam Aadmi Party's announcement that its sitting Rajya Sabha MP, Sanjeev Arora, will contest the upcoming Punjab by-poll. The Aam Aadmi Party announced that Arora will contest the by-election to the Ludhiana West, which has fallen vacant last month after the death of the Aam Aadmi Party MLA Gurpreet Gogi in an accidental firing while cleaning his pistol. Now, this development reignited discussions about the Delhi former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's potential move to the Rajya Sabha, with many political analysts linking the two events. Sources close to the party suggest that Kejriwal's move to the Rajya Sabha could be a calculated move, and this would allow him to be directly involved in the Aam Aadmi Party's offensive against the BJP. The Rajya Sabha has long been seen as a potential gateway for the state leaders to exert influence in national politics. While there is political buzz that the Aam Aadmi Party convener may replace Arora in the upper house, and that there was a detailed discussion on the same that was held in the Aam Aadmi Party legislative meeting, the Aam Aadmi Party sources have told Times Now that there is no truth to these speculations. The BJP, reacting sharply to these reports, though, has accused the Aam Aadmi Party chief of having a Sheesh Mahal mindset, with the BJP's national spokesperson questioning the Aam Aadmi Party's move when asked whether he will be vacating or not, saying that this is a clear move wanting to get the power, perks and privileges that come with it.
सत्ता, शीश महल और शराब घोटाले का चंदा, इन 3 एस के बिना अरविंद केजरीवाल सरवाइव नहीं कर सकते और ये बात अब स्पष्ट होती जा रही है। संजीव अरोड़ा जो उनके राज्यसभा के सांसद है, आम आदमी पार्टी उन्हें विधानसभा का बाईपोल चुनाव लड़ाने जा रही है। इसका मतलब साफ है कि राज्यसभा की जो सीट है वो खाली करवाई जाएगी अरविंद केजरीवाल के लिए, क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल जो कहते थे कि मैं 2 कमरे के मकान में रहूंगा, अब वो शीश महल के बिना रह नहीं सकते और अब वीवीआईपी सरकारी बंगला, वीवीआईपी फैसिलिटीज और हो सकता है एक संवैधानिक इम्यूनिटी के बिना अरविंद केजरीवाल जी नहीं सकते।
पूरी तरह से सत्ता जिनके दिमाग पर चढ़ी हुई हो, बिना सत्ता के वो रह नहीं सकते। ये अब आम आदमी पार्टी नहीं है, ये अब खास आदमी पार्टी है, जिनके लोग बिना सत्ता के, बिना पैसे के, बिना विलासिता के, बिना शीश महल के, बिना बड़ी गाड़ियों के और बिना लोगों को जब तक वो विलासिता में ना रहें वो रह नहीं सकते। अब वो वीआईपी कल्चर के लोग हैं और इसलिए वो राज्यसभा में जाना चाहें, पंजाब से जाना चाहें, ये उनका मैटर है, लेकिन अब उनको कम से कम इन दिल्ली के पे जिस तरह से उन्होंने भ्रष्टाचार किया है, लूट की है, अब इन सबके जेल जाने की तैयारी है।
The Aam Aadmi Party leaders, though, have rejected the claims completely, categorically saying that there is no truth to the rumours and that the BJP has a habit of cooking up stories.
अरविंद केजरीवाल सर की बात है तो मीडिया के सूत्र पहले कह रहे थे कि वो पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे, अब मीडिया के सूत्र कह रहे हैं कि वो राज्यसभा से लड़ेंगे। ये दोनों सूत्र बिल्कुल गलत हैं। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी आम आदमी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय संयोजक हैं। मैं मानती हूं कि उनकी डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा है, पर वो किसी एक सीट पर सीमित नहीं है।
But the Aam Aadmi Party's former ally, the Congress, has also echoed the charge of the Kejriwal ambition. In fact, Pratap Singh Bajwa alleging that Kejriwal wants to enter power through Punjab and that some Rajya Sabha members will have to sacrifice and make way for him.
प्लानिंग कुछ भी करते रहे, लेकिन केजरीवाल जी का रास्ता आसान नहीं होने वाला है। आम आदमी पार्टी की हालात पंजाब में भी जैसे दिल्ली में है, उससे भी बदतर हालात पंजाब के हालात आज उन्होंने कर दिए हैं। मंत्रियों को फर्जी मंत्रालय बना के काम चलाया जा रहा है, वो सारी चीजें जनता के सामने है, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये रूट आसान होने वाला नहीं है।
Let's go across to my colleague Tejshri, who is joining us on the broadcast with the details. There have been a lot of speculations on whether Arvind Kejriwal will take the Rajya Sabha route or not. The Aam Aadmi Party has denied it, but clearly that has not stopped the political attacks.
Well, absolutely. Aam Aadmi Party has specifically denied any such claims. In fact, not just that, but Aam Aadmi Party has also said that as of now, Arvind Kejriwal has no plans to go to Rajya Sabha. But what our sources reveal that yes, there's a section within the party who in fact raised this particular issue in the legislative meeting that Arvind Kejriwal should go to Rajya Sabha from the state of Punjab. And remember that is why such kind of developments are taking place. Sanjeev Arora has been nominated from Ludhiana West for by-elections. The timings are also being questioned so as to since the dates of elections are not being announced yet, but why Sanjeev Arora has been nominated so early. And in fact, but our sources are also telling us that Sanjeev Arora, who will have to vacate his Rajya Sabha seat if he wins this particular by-election, then there is a high chance that Sanjeev Arora could also, in fact, get the ministerial berth. He could become a minister in Punjab, in Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab government. So yes, now we'll have to see that what actually happens. And the question over here is that if something like this is happening, then why Aam Aadmi Party is denying such kind of claims, keeping in mind that such kind of discussions did take place in the meeting?
Right, so it has been denied by the Aam Aadmi Party, but Techi, any word on what the next step could be for Arvind Kejriwal? They're saying that he is not going to take the Rajya Sabha route from Punjab. But what next? Because after his defeat from the New Delhi Assembly constituency in the assembly elections in Delhi, there have been a lot of questions that have been raised on what's going to happen next.
Well, what's going to happen next? In fact, remember that Aam Aadmi Party is focusing next on Punjab, and in fact, they feel that in the next election, they should not lose Punjab. And taking a lesson from what has happened in Delhi, they are now actively participating in the work in the state of Punjab. Remember that the leaders like Manish Sisodia, who was the former education minister in Delhi, former deputy CM as well, so he has been now working in Punjab relentlessly along with the MLAs, and the chief minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Mann, has also become more active. And in fact, what we're also getting to know is that, Arvind Kejriwal is also taking day-to-day updates as to what's happening in the state of Punjab, because there were a set of MLAs who were upset by the working of the party. Not just that, but in fact, they were also upset by the over-interference of the Delhi cadre, of the Delhi leaders in Punjab. So that will also be lessened, and the groundwork will be more, and then they will be monitoring so as to what is the response of people, because BJP and Congress have been alleging about the 1,000 rupee promise that was made by Aam Aadmi Party and not given to
So amid the political attacks that are coming in, it will be interesting to see what next. Thank you for joining us with those details. With that,